So Grandma's party.
Puerto Rican.
Look at that, cheesesteak or hoagie, you buy one, get one free on Sundays.
Yeah, let's do that. But I can only eat one.
Oh, what the Sunday
Does that count
special?
all hoagies or just like the...
So if you buy 2, you get 2 free?
Like
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah,
So let's make that.
maybe.
Oh, that's switching it back to cheesesteak.
No, it's a cheesesteak hoagie.
Cheesesteak or hoagie.
Oh, or hoagie. Oh, okay. So any of the sandwiches then, is that?
Wow, that's what it sounds like. All toppings.
Well, no. So if you get 6 sandwiches, you only pay for 3?
Pretty much.
Are we switching back to sandwiches?
I guess so.
Well, you would
Your
save
mom
money
wants a
that way.
pizza sandwich.
No, pizza. I'll have cheesesteak,
Do you think they limit? Do you think they limit it though? Do you think they limit it just for one?
hoagie.
That'd be stupid if they did.
What do you want, Mom?
Cheesesteak hoagie.
Alright, well, if they do,
You
if
do
they
3 separate
limit it,
orders.
Mom, what's
I know,
cheesesteak
it's
hoagie?
three.
Wait a minute.
Who's wondering?
they
Lettuce,
limit
tomato.
it. If they limit it, then
It has
we'll
lettuce
get
and tomato on it.
Cheesesteak hoagie.
I know you people don't know this because you're from Pennsylvania. Because
Cheesesteak.
sandwiches that you order in Pennsylvania do not come
So cheesesteak
with what they're supposed to
So
be.
I mean, I guess it's any of the sandwiches.
So I like ordering sandwiches in New
does it count the hot
Jersey.
sandwich?
Sometimes on it, like,
I don't
if
know.
you order cheesesteak, it doesn't
Well, there's
come with
such thing as a
sauce
cheesesteak
onions.
and a
You have to
cheesesteak
ask
hoagie.
in New Jersey, but
If you
here it
go to
automatically
hoagie.
comes with sauce and onion.
So it does count or doesn't count hot
It
sandwiches?
says cheesesteak or hoagie, and then there's such thing as a cheesesteak and a cheesesteak hoagie out here. Do you think they're just talking about cheesesteak and cheesesteak hoagie?
No, cheesesteak hoagie has the lettuce, tomato, and
Okay.
stuff on it.
So I got cheesesteak hoagie,
Cheesesteak is just
cheesesteak
onions and
pepperoni.
sauce.
Dad, what do you want?
I'll do the cheesesteak hoagie.
Rachel, what do you want?
I don't know.
Angel,
You
what
guys
do you
want
want?
soda?
I don't know.
No, I'm good with this.
We're good with food. Nobody drinks soda. Except me.
I drink soda.
Or you. You're the odd ones out.
Alright, you throw that away. Look at her.
Big box.
What are you doing?
I'm videotaping you.
No, I'm ugly.
What, me picking apart the box?
No, you're beautiful.
No, I'm not.
She's beautiful.
She is.
She's beautiful.
Just keep telling her that.
She's beautiful.
That's even better.
I can't believe they lost. Eagles lost by.
Not done yet.
He's at 3 points. Eagles lost by 3 points.
I don't know what I want.
Pizza was easier.
I know. Oh, but you guys had to change it because they found a stupid special.
I found the deal. It's saving.
My chicken parmesan, you can go watch the races.
Oh,
No.
there's cannolis.
No.
We're not looking at cannolis.
Just walk away from it. Okay. Try to give all love.
It was between this one and the other one, and then when I said it was the one that was like a $1,000 one.
Come go cuddle with me. What cuddles? He never gets cuddles from the kitty ever.
He's petting you now.
No, the dog does. I put the dog on my back and she runs it back and forth. The cat won't do that.
But I'll pet you.
I get back massages from our cat. They'll meet on my back.
Beautiful.
You don't meet on him at